It's an absolutely beautiful day, so I'm going to go out, get some drone footage, see if I can capture the aerial of Melbourne. Probably the first time I'm doing it properly, so yeah, you can obviously see the pink one on the channel as well, but yeah, thought I'd get a new one, check it out, let's see what happens, see if I can get some sick footage. To the next destination, let's go. Try and get some different angles, you know what I mean? It's bloody beautiful day, I tell you what, it's so good to be out here. Sound like a dad right now, eh? Hey, nothing wrong with that. Got some good footage then at the Melbourne Museum. Saw some skateboarders, bro. It would have been sick if I got some footage with them, but to be honest with you, I didn't have the balls to ask. It's about 10 of them. Actually, probably 10 to 15. A bit overwhelming, but it's just a lesson, you know. You just got to ask. Like, who cares? Like, if they're gonna like have a sook about it, like, you'll never see them again. Like, just fucking walk away, right? Like, who cares? But the chances are they're probably going to say yes anyway, because it's sick footage, you know, you give it to them as well. Like, they're skateboarders, bro, they want to see it too. It's their life, it's all about, you know, the image bar, photos, cars, it looks sick. But yeah, it's a bloody beautiful day, so I'm going to call it there, see what we can conjure up with the footage. Yeah, feeling good. Great day for it. Let's go. Here at a sort of mini gamble river looking thing in Callingwood. So I take off the drone and I realised there's actually a pretty funny story like a little while ago. Craig, my sister's husband, I guess he's my brother-in-law, I should call him that, it's probably a more official term. But he was proposing to my sister, of course, and he asked me to take some pictures of it. And he's dropped me a point, like a drop point, like a pin, and he sent me this location, and it wasn't the right one, and I was super late and I was super sweaty and nervous about it because I didn't want to obviously mess it up because you only get one shot at doing it. And I'm pulling up, there's no one's here, and like, what do I do? Like, I'm sweating bullets, I'm probably already got 2 speeding fines. Running off to bloody going to the next spot, and eventually found him, but I was like shaking while I was taking the camera. I was kind of rattled from it. Pretty funny, but we got the photos, did a decent job. They're up on the socials, so they must have been pretty half decent at least. So yeah, don't ask me to do that again, Craig. Or just send me the right pinpoint. Probably Probably your fault, if anything. Bloody hell. But yeah, it's a bloody good spot out here. Not bad.